Check this out, folks. I just received these running onions in the mail. Bought them off of eBay from a seller. I'm about to put them in the ground, and I'm going to test 2 depths. So we'll go over here. I got a shallow trench and a deep trench. So I'll dump these out. To my knowledge, these will grow up, produce bulbs, and then they will bend down to the ground and start growing roots wherever they touch down. So we're about to find out exactly how that works. Now I'm hoping they can survive out here in this part of the yard, because it does get full sun out here. But I've seen a lot of videos where they're growing these in full sun in places like Australia. So if they can handle the full sun there, then they should be able to handle the full sun here, because we have a similar climate to Australia. So you see, I've just fully covered the right trench, and this left trench is only going to be partially covering the onions, the running onions. Anyhow, this is obviously an experiment. We're just now putting them in the ground. This is my first time doing this, so we're going to learn together whether or not this can happen out here in Florida in the full sun. Now, if this doesn't work, I'm just going to do a shade test. So I'll test it again, but in the understory. Anyhow, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.